Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. This pattern can use as a rib or you can use it as a knitting pattern. It's really easy to follow, only you have to repeat 4 rows, and for the stitches you need to have multiple of 4 plus 2 for each. Let's get started. As I told you, this pattern is going to have 4 row repeats. Let's see this one considered as a first row. For the first row, what you have to do, you are going to take the first one as the edge, then knit 1, pull 1, knit 1, pull 1, and we keep continue like this. So row 1 you should make 1 knit 1 pull until the end of the row. Row 2 we are going to start by make the first one as the edge. When it comes to that one, we are going to knit 1, pull 1, knit 1. So you have 3 stitches. What you have to do, you are going to take back these 3 stitches to the needle, take the yarn like this, and we take it back again to the first one like this. Then we pull 1. This one consider as row 2. Repeat again by knit 1, pull 1, knit 1, we take it back again to this needle, grab the yarn like, take the yarn like this, and we take it back again to that part, pull 1 like this. We repeat again. Do it one more time for you. Knit 1, pull 1, knit 1, take these 3 back, 1, 2, 3, take the yarn, and we take these 3 again and pull 1 like that. We'll do it like this until the end of the row. At the end of row 2, as you can see, I have only 1 left for pull, and I'll do that. This is the end of row 2. Row 3, like row 1, what we have to do, just we are going to knit 1, pull 1, knit 1, pull 1, exactly like row 1. We are going to do that until the end of the row, and then we start row 4. For row 4, as you can see here in the pattern, it's time to change the pattern. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one as the edge, knit 1, pull 1. Now it's time to, as you can see here, to make the pattern for these 3. So it means you have to, after edge, knit 2, then knit 1, pull 1, knit 1, and do the pattern. It means that take these 3 back, bring the yarn here, and take the yarn again like this. Take the stitches again like this. Then pull 1. Now as you can see here, it's time to make these 3. Knit 1, pull 1, knit 1, take these 3 back, take the yarn, and these 3 back again in this needle like this. We are going to repeat the pattern until the end of the row like that. I'll do that and I'll be back. As you can see here, at the end of row 4 you are going to have 2 stitches left, and then do the edge. This pattern is going to be repeat row 1 to row 4, and if you keep continue, the pattern should look like that. That's all. Thank you for watching and have a great day.